I was reading the other day that Microsoft predicts we're going to need 1 billion apps by 2028. I also read there are only 27 million global developers who can code. Now, if you do the math, that's an enormous workload for each developer. And let me tell you, I've been on projects as a coder where they've taken well over 2 years to complete. So if we say on average an app can take several developers and well over a year to develop, it's clear there's a big problem and a massive gap to fill. And this is where we, the no-code and low-code heroes, can come in. We can step up and help bridge this gap, building apps faster than our coding cousins. Think of it as stepping in to save the day without having to wear a cape. To help you cash in on the lack of devs crisis with the Power Platform, we've put together a special bundle to help you build a solid foundation and speed up your learning journey. The Power Platform Accelerator Bundle gives you lifetime access to all of the recordings and the resources from 9 half-day workshops that we've hosted here at Club 365. Plus, our Club 365 Academy's got pretty big nowadays, so you can talk with people in the same position as you because you'll become a member yourself. But before we dive in and talk about the bundle, let's talk about the massive trend which is AI. Everywhere you look today, it's AI this and AI that, and I bet you've already started to worry this is going to make you jobless. But let me tell you a secret. AI is pretty useless to businesses without people who can automate processes and organize data so that AI can access it and understand it. This takes time and effort and skills to serve up the data in the right format so AI can work its magic. And I speak from experience as I'm doing exactly this at Club 365 at the moment. You see, AI needs structured, clean data and hooks into workflows to make it more useful than something that just allows you to talk to a bunch of documents. And that's where your skills in the Power Platform could come into play. By mastering these tools, you can become the backbone of the AI revolution, making sure all of the AI bots have what they need to work their magic. So let's dive into the bundle. Our first workshop is Learn Power Apps Even If You're a Beginner, and that's taught by Ahmed Najjar, a renowned MVP. Think of this as your Power Apps bootcamp. You'll learn everything from building basic screens to adding interactivity and data connections. Even if you've never heard of C# or PHP, it doesn't matter as you aren't going to need it. Without needing to code, you'll be building functional apps in no time. This workshop is designed to help you create solutions tailored to your business needs quickly and efficiently. Next up, we've got How to Get Started with Power Automate, and that's presented by Club 365 Academy coach John Mandeville. This is your introduction to the magical world of automation. You'll learn the basics from creating simple point-and-click flows to understanding triggers and actions. Imagine Power Automate as your personal assistant that handles all of your repetitive tasks so you can focus on more valuable tasks yourself. Power Automate is like having your own efficiency genie. And the best part, you don't just create flows for yourself, you can share them with your entire department or even your company. After mastering the basics, you'll be ready to go next level. And before I explain what else is in the Power Platform Accelerator Bundle, it's worth restating that you get lifetime access so you can complete this training at your own pace. No rush and no pressure. So the next workshops are all taught by Paul Sturck, an expert MVP, and cover a range of some more intermediate and advanced topics. First up is Dataverse for Teams, extending teams with apps, bots and flows. Think of this workshop as your toolkit for supercharging Microsoft Teams. You'll learn to build custom apps, bots and flows that streamline your workflows and boost productivity. Leveraging Dataverse gives you a great way to store your data so that tools like Power Automate, Power Apps and Power BI can use it easily. Next we have From Development to Deployment, Simplify Your Power Platform App Lifecycle with Solutions. This workshop is all about managing your Power Platform apps like a pro. You'll discover how to handle the lifecycle of your Power Platform apps on different environments so you can develop and test properly. Following that, we are Mastering Power Automate Advanced Techniques for Robust and Responsive Flows. Ready to take your automation skills up a notch? This workshop covers advanced techniques for building robust and responsive flows. It's like learning the secret sauce to making your automations reliable and super efficient. Our sixth workshop is Unveiling the Secrets of Data Modeling with SharePoint, Power Apps and Power Automate. Effective data modeling is absolutely crucial for creating scalable solutions that perform with lots of users. This workshop will uncover the secrets to powerful data models, making your apps and automations run like a well-oiled machine. Next up is Power Apps Mastery, building scalable, responsive and robust apps for modern businesses. In this workshop, you'll learn to build advanced Power Apps that are scalable, responsive and robust. It's all about creating professional grade apps that stand the test of time. And now, because the world has gone AI crazy and we all need to keep up, we've got 2 workshops to help you harness the power of AI with Copilot. First, we have an introduction to Microsoft Power Automate Copilot, and this is where you'll meet your new AI-powered assistant, Power Automate Copilot. This session shows you how Copilot can accelerate your development process, making complex automations as easy as pie. And finally, we have Unlock the Full Potential of Power Apps with Copilot. This workshop shows you how to get the most out of Copilot when creating your Power Apps. You'll learn to use AI to create user-friendly interfaces, build intelligent logic and deliver apps that put a smile on your user's face. So hopefully you can see this bundle is pretty cool, and if you sit down and do the learning, even at 1 workshop per week, you'll be well on your way to becoming a Power Platform expert that companies need to build those 1 billion apps. And the best part, because I know you're going to ask, yes, this is a one-time purchase for lifetime access. That means you can learn when there's nothing to watch on Netflix, or when your partner asks you to do the washing up. Also, I've been here myself, investing in your own education is a big deal, so that's why we're offering a 30-day money-back guarantee, no questions asked. If you're not completely satisfied, just let us know and we'll refund you your purchase. This makes your decision absolutely risk-free. But honestly, if you take it, please do the beginner workshops. I am convinced you will feel confident to take it further. And here's the cherry on top. We're offering a massive discount on this bundle, but only for a limited time. This is your chance to get all 9 workshops at an unbeatable price. If you want this, click the link somewhere on this screen to get your lifetime access to the bundle. And remember, mastering the Power Platform can significantly boost your career prospects, job satisfaction, and it gives you a fighting chance against those pesky AI bots. And as a parting message, because this is important and a very common myth, I just want to say, don't let lack of coding skills hold you back because you don't need them. So I hope to see you in the academy, and that's all from me now. Ta-da!